Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to completely uninstall Figma in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type control panel, open it, and in control panel click on programs and select programs and features. Here if you go to F, we will be having Figma and Figma agent. Right click and select uninstall, and again do the same for Figma agent also, and it's going to uninstall from this particular location. Click on uninstall. So it's completed, we can simply close it, and now Figma has been completely uninstalled from programs and features. But there are some folders still exist, so for that just go to search and type run. We'll be having this, open it, and here just type percentage app data percentage and click on OK. We will be taken to app data roaming folder. Here as you can see, I'm having a folder named Figma. You can simply delete it. Now go back to app data folder by clicking here. We'll be having this local folder. Select it, and here we'll be having another folder named Figma also. You can just delete this. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.